Hey guys, welcome back to River Road Farm and another one of our It's All About the Beef recipes. We're going to do another recipe on the fire, so that means David's in charge. But first I'm going to tell you what we're cooking today. We're going to do some different flavored sausages. Right now we got the hot Italian, and in the pan are a bunch of vegetables. I've got red onion, red peppers, I've got jalapeno peppers, and I have chunks of garlic, because I really like it when it gets cooked down and it's kind of like a caramelized candy treat. I chopped everything up in the food processor. It just went in like 2 minutes, but if you don't have that, you can just hand slice it. That's gonna go in this pan for a while until it really gets dark, caramelized, and the only thing on it is my favorite, olive oil, salt, and pepper. And David's
gonna add some butter.
And butter. And David's then going to put these sausages on. The other thing that you see here on the fire are some oysters that we just kind of had laying around. So we thought we'd cook them up. So, David, take it away.
I have nothing left to say. She nailed it all. Well, this is one of my favorite things to do. It's welcome to River Road Farm, the fall time at River Road. Terrific. This is kind of the theme of this as well, you know, tailgating. What's better than when you're tailgating at a game than sausages, peppers, and onions? And like Claire said, we had a few oysters left over from the farmer's market the other day. So we're gonna grill those, and it's time to throw those sausages on because we're hungry. We've been standing around and we are hungry. And the great things about these sausages, these are the hot Italians like Claire said. The great things about these sausages over an open fire is you wanna let them cook. You want to get them nice and hot. They'll start talking to you, hissing a little bit, and expelling a little bit of moisture. And you just want to keep on flipping them, and you get a nice crusty surface on that, and cooked well through. I mean, and then you throw them on a roll, peppers and onions. It doesn't get better than that, particularly in the fall time.
A little mustard.
Mustard, a lot of mustard. Who doesn't remember Gulden's mustard as a kid, huh? I grew up on this stuff, and this is terrific. And now it's non-GMO, even better. Those vegetables have been cooking for a good time, because as Claire said, you really want them to get cooked down. And so everything is better with butter. So I like to add that after the olive oil, just for a little bit more flavor, and it adds to the caramelization. This is great. This is going to be amazing. You could eat this as an entree just by itself, to tell you the truth. Or a side on anything.
Wait, it's all about the beef.
Well, that's true.
There's no vegetarian meal.
That's true. No, you don't want to eat vegetables only. You got to have beef side. A wood fire takes a long time to get hot enough and even enough. There's a lot of unevenness with a wood fire. So you got to just make sure that the wood eventually settles fairly level in your fire pit. Oh my gosh. These peppers and onions are looking stupendous. I mean, we're not going to be much longer with these. These are looking great. You can see how the colors changed drastically from when we first put them on. And we also have, Claire also does chorizo, andouille, sweet Italian. What else?
Bratwurst. I think that's it.
That's enough. That's a lot of sausage.
Chorizo, sometimes bratwurst, and usually andouille.
Well, I'm going to try one of these oysters while nobody's.
Is that how you do? You just pick it up?
Oh yeah.
I'm not a big oyster fan myself.
Oh, that's good.
So we'll see how it goes. Ooh, that's good. Do you like that?
I love it.
So of course we're using our sausage, River Road Farm, all beef sausage, and it's the hot Italian. If you live in southeastern Virginia, you can get on my website and order it, and I can meet you at your home, or I can meet you at one of the many farmers markets that are around.
Listen to that
sizzle.
sizzle.
If you don't live near us, I would suggest going on to Eating Wild or look up local grass-fed beef near me and see what pops up, and see if that company or that farmer makes sausage. It's so much better for you, for your heart, for your whole body, to have grass-fed beef the way that it's supposed to be.
We're ready to go. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Should we call the boys or leave them in the house?
The only thing I was missing is the marching band. Yeah, leave the boys in the house. These are for us.
Probably doesn't even need any of this, but you know.
Oh, it does need some. It doesn't need it. You're right, but it's good with mustard.
You want to just share this one?
I'm gonna have my own.
It's gonna be.
Me hungry.
You can have it.
Kate, that's why.
There's one for you.
That's why they're out here, man.
There's 4, 2 for you and 1 each for us. Oh my God.
How's that?
Oh.
Time? It's time. I can't wait. Look at that. That
It's
is.
like crunchy on the
that is-
outside
Yeah, that's the way it's supposed to be. A little crunch on the outside, and
and spicy, juicy on the inside.
oh,
Isn't that good? I'm surprised you haven't dropped the camera yet and gotten gotten your share.
I'm a good cook.
You are. Well, I tell you, I think that everything is better on this fire than our regular grill. We
Yep.
do burgers out here, much better than on the regular grill. I don't know what it is. The smoke?
I think it's
But-
the romance of the fire.
No,
is
the
the way-
food is better.
Well, I agree with you, but with a conventional grill, you just don't get that smoke. Well, we've had so much fun here today with you all. It doesn't get better than this. And we'd love if you would continue to follow us, and if you want to subscribe, that's what's going to drive more viewership and get the word out about how wonderful our pasture-raised, grass-fed beef is, and how wonderful it is to just be part of nature out here cooking delicious foods with the people you love.
You want me to wake up, but I'm strangled in